Hey guys! Hermes Spa, Hermes Repair. Did they clean up the wear? Today we're doing a Hermes Spa / Hermes Repair video update discussion. We're talking today Hermes Spa repairs, not just for bags, but for other items. I got a couple other things repaired from Hermes Spa. I think I did a previous video on this about dropping them off. This is the result, so we're gonna talk about it. Bag, hat, shoes, okay? Did they clean up the wear from the Hermes Repair? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick Hermes Spa review video talking about a couple of items I gave to Hermes Spa and the repair and the cost and the way, blah, 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 all things like that. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Also, really quick, thank you to you guys. I just hit 3,000 subscribers on TikTok. Yay! Nope. I just hit 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. Yay! Thank you guys so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. The engagement. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the everything. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you guys. Here's to the next 3,000 and the next, 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 and the next. Okay. Oh, also, disclaimer, I'm still trying to figure out how to do the memberships thing, how to make it separate exclusives. If you guys have any, like, what you want in that tier, let me know. Also posting the TikTok videos on YouTube and also like repurposing them. Do you guys like the short form ones? Do you like the short form vertical longer than a minute TikTok videos that are like videos on YouTube, or do you prefer them in the shorts version where they're under a minute, or do you not care? Do you watch both of them? Do you not watch either of them? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to get your thoughts on those things too as I continue to build this and grow with you guys and like trial and error process, learning, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So today we're doing a Hermes Spa. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay. I think I already said that. Okay. So I don't know if you guys remember, but the first thing I repaired were these plaques on here. First of all, I did not realize I've been keeping my bags out all day because I use them, but also like I film a lot of my TikToks with all the bags in the background. If you guys have seen, I've posted some of the TikToks on here. I'm starting to feel like this feels it's starting to feel a little dry, or maybe it was always dry, but I just compared it to the black one, which I still have to do a video on the black one, but we'll do that in separate, the black Birkin. But this compared to the black Birkin's so soft and squishy and supple, and it's like a year newer. And this is kind of like, I don't know, it feels like rough and hard. So I don't know if it's like starting to dry out. I don't want it to, I mean, it's only been a year, so obviously it's probably not drying out. Maybe it's cracking. Anyway, I hope it's not drying out and cracking. Okay, so, but if you guys have any tips, let me know in the comments below, okay? If I should like moisturize it, or like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do, / do I start putting it in the dust bag every day and like lying it flat like I used to, because I used to do that all the time, but I don't do it as much anymore. Let me know in the comments below, okay? But anyway, I found this little mark on one of the plaques, and so I brought it into my SA to like see if they could repair it. This was with the plastic still on, and I was like, I'll take the plastic off. Will you take the plastic off? No, I took the plastic off and I found a mark. That's what happened. I found a mark, took the plastic off in Paris, and I found a mark, and I brought it in, and I said, hey, can you get this mark off? And it looks like blood or something. And my SA just took it upstairs to the repair people, and luckily they were not that busy and they had a little bit of time. And so they just replaced the plaques with brand new ones, which is crazy. Now that I think about it, like I said, it wasn't that long. So they literally took the screws out, put in new plaques, everything like that. Anyway, new plaques on here. That was Hermes Spa trip number 1, and it was free and no cost, which was amazing. Second Hermes Spa, I took actually I did a whole thing on like the wear that I found in this when I first bought it. And not the wear, but like the little imperfections. And I don't think I've ever posted that video, so I will post that video. Second thing I found was on my Kelly. I brought it to the spa as well in Paris because I had spilled ice cream on it. We were in London and running back to the hotel and bought ice cream, and I didn't realize it had dripped all over the Kelly. So it dripped all over the Kelly. So I cleaned it up, like whatever, got it off. They said I did a pretty good job, but I took it in and they said that it was pretty good and they didn't have anything they could do. And if they were going to do anything, they'd have to keep it for a while. And I said, no, it's okay. But they were like, you got rid of most of the stickiness. And they told me to clean it one more time. And so I did. So that was Kelly. But anyway, today's video is more about the other repairs. So I didn't know you could do this. And my store doesn't do this, so I had to go to a different Hermes store to do this. So I don't know, you have to check with your Hermes store if they can do it or not. But my store, I guess either just high volume or too busy, but they didn't do these kind of repairs. But I saw somebody else say they repairs with the Chypre sandals that you can send them in just to repair. I think it was Newman Parker on TikTok. Thank you, Newman. And so I took 2 pairs of Chypres there, and I'll post them both here. My black Chypres that I used to wear all the time, black on black, that I got in Paris for like 500 euros. And then these suede ones that are tannish color. And so the black ones, I just wanted to get them like kind of spruced up and fixed. I was like, just kind of clean it up a little bit, get some of the creases out and kind of just like polish leather or whatever. Just give it the summer refresh that it's supposed to get. I dropped it off at the end of last year. I wanted to have it by summer this year. Beige ones had some milk spilled on them. Long story short, they were able to do it. They sent it off to Paris. They said it can take 4 to 6 months, which is fine because you drop it off like you try to drop it off at the end of summer so you can get it back by the next summer. They'll give you like an email progress report of like where it's at or if it's gonna cost and how much it's gonna cost. I got an email back for the black ones saying that they were unrepairable, which I thought was weird because it was very little damage and wear. And I was like, and I was in Paris at the time and I was like, can I just pick them up? And they're like, no, you can't. But they were like, you can get them back as they are, but they have to go back to the US, or you can just leave them with us and we will pay you out the cost of a current pair of Chypre sandals. So I took the payout current Chypre sandals because I basically made $500 because I bought them for 500 euros and the current price is $910 plus tax, which is $990. The credit would be in the US. I couldn't use it in France, unfortunately, because I could buy the pair of Chypre sandals in France for the France price, which I think is like 600 or 700 and make some money on it. But I didn't. Anyway, but I did still make money because I made $990 in $490 in credit from $500, whatever it was. Maybe it was like 520 euros. Ended up being $500 versus $990, so $490 I made. Basically, I doubled my money, but it's credit, obviously, right? Like it's not like money, but I ended up using it towards another purchase, which I can't remember what it went towards. I think it went towards to Kelly to go. I think it went towards, yeah, it was credit. Maybe it went towards maybe it went towards a rodeo charm or something like that. I don't know what it went towards. Anyway, so they gave me that. The second one, the Chypres, it was $80 to repair them, and they came back 4 months later. I think they got a lot of it out. These are obviously, they're dirty again now, so I can't really, it doesn't really do it justice, but they were much dirtier before, or they were much cleaner before, and now they've gotten dirty again. But they did a pretty good job, I think, in cleaning out the suede because the suede had a lot of these milk stains on it. So that's those. But yeah, so it's something you can get repaired. I don't know if people know this. I didn't know it. You can get it repaired. And this is one thing I love about Hermes is like literally everything can be fixed. Like I could take my clothes, I could take a blanket, they'll like send it out and have it repaired, whatever it is. I think you go to like a less trafficky store or less like a smaller store because then they'll like take a little more time and care with it. The second thing I got repaired was my hat. I don't know if you guys remember that hat that I used to wear with the horse all the time. My Hermes hat, the brown one, the gray one. I wore it all the time. I love the hat. It fits so well. That's the other thing I like about Hermes. Their stuff fits so well. Like this shirt. Yeah, it's expensive, but it fits so well. Like it fits me so, like all of their clothing fits so well. It's like fitted very well. And so I feel like I'm paying a lot, but I'm getting a good bang for my buck and a lot of wears out of it. And I look good every single time, in my opinion. So the hat I wore all the time to the point where it was like, I had sweated in it a lot and there was like sweat stains, and here's some photos. There's sweat stains. There's like it was like browning a bit. Dirt browning. Sorry, it's really late. And then I also saw like, I took it to a repair shop. I took it to the dry cleaners and they were like, we cannot, the leather detail and everything like that's gonna cost you this much. And it was like a lot. I don't remember how much it was, but it didn't seem worth it compared to how much a repair I thought might be like $80. The repair ended up being $130. I brought it to Hermes, they shipped it out, said they were gonna try to clean it as best as they could, and which, is a lot for a hat, but the hat was like $500. So anyway, this is what it looks like now. They got most of the stains out of this part and they got a lot of the stains out of here, and the browning along the sides is gone a lot. I mean, it's still kind of there. Like they couldn't get it all out obviously, but it's like almost a new hat. I'm gonna reuse it again now. I love this hat so much. I try to wear it less when I'm sweaty or like filming a lot because I get a little sweaty, or like wearing it all day kind of thing. I feel like it's a really cool, lovely hat. I love this hat so much. And I'm really appreciative that I got back. I do think 130 was a lot, but I mean, they did it and they did it and then I found out after or something like that. So I was like, whatever, I'm not gonna not pay it. I think I used credit for that too, actually. So I guess it was free. So fine. Actually, yeah, then it's fine. Okay. Anyway, that's all I got. Those are the repairs that I got. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know about my bag. What am I supposed to do? I feel like I should stop, having them in the background because maybe that is like doing something to them. I'm also finding all these white spots on my Kelly. Like these little white spots keep appearing, and I don't know if that's like an oxide, like a air thing, or like my Epsom Kelly Cellier. Just every now and then we'll get these like white spots near the seams. I don't know what that is. Does anybody know? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, yay. Thank you for 3K. Okay, Yay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hate it, share with your anything because I know your time is valuable and I know it's precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Okay, bye.